All My Exes. I'm going to go ahead and turn around. You're going to go ahead and start with your right foot, and you're going to be stepping out, out, and in. Starting with your right foot, you go out, out, in. It's sort of like a V. Out, out, in. Going to go ahead and do a right vine, right behind, right. Tap, left vine, left behind, left tap. With your right foot, you're going to go forward, step, brush with your left, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush. Right foot, you're going to go ahead and do a jazz box. You're going to cross, recover back. You're going to go ahead and do a quarter turn to the right and tap, and do the last one, jazz box, cross, back, step right, step left. Let me go ahead and do this with a count. Here we go. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2,